Okay, today is March 9th, Saturday, 2013. I'm continuing the Head Shrinker Self-Help Snowboarding series, celebrating my mother's great life. She passed away on January 1st around noon, but she actually gave up the day before when they took all of her life support systems away and put her on a heavy super duper morphine drip, and she went unconscious. The nurse told me the night before she died, when I was with her, Audrey told me my mom was unconscious, but she was not in a coma. She said there was a possibility that she could hear me, my mother could hear me, but she wouldn't be able to respond, and my mother's mouth was wide open, and she was gasping for air from her lower lungs and sort of gulping and jerking about every, I don't know, man, it was freaky. It was really strange, and it was difficult. I don't know, they call it fish breathing. Anyway, I sat with her from about 11 at night, about 4 hours after they unplugged her, so to speak, and I spent 8 hours with her, holding her hand as much as I could, and her lungs slowed down through the night, and the nurse would come in to check on both of us, because I think she saw me freaking out. But anyway, she kept asking about me while she was checking my mom, and I asked her a few questions, and I thought it was one of the most horrible experiences I'd ever had in my life. It was truly a test of one's sanity and control. But anyway, it's a part of life. It's over. So, today, little snowboarding with Mom, and I'm going to celebrate her entrepreneurship. And she gave me a great desire and power for free enterprise and working as an entrepreneur. When we were kids, she worked about 6 jobs off and on, between custom clothes tailoring and clothing design. She worked for Carlisle's printing shop in the Christmas time every year, printing Christmas cards. She worked part-time as a secretary at Lemon Valley Elementary School. She also danced one night a week during the winter. She danced with I guess you'd call it a semi-professional, excuse me, semi-professional dancing for the Daughters of the Nile. I wasn't sure back then exactly what it was, but it was related to my father and grandfather being in the Masonic Lodge. And I don't know, my mom danced, so she was a secretary, a seamstress, tailor, mother. She worked with horses and animals. She did a lot of stuff, but she was always making money on the side. all the time, year round, somehow. And it was pretty cool. She used to lie about my age so I could work. She'd help me lie about my age so I could get a job. I think I had to be 15 and I was only 14 to wash dishes at the Bonanza Casino. So she helped me get that job. She helped me. She told him I was 10 when I was 9 so I could play baseball. And that was kind of weird. And let's see, what else? Well, I guess I'll have to dedicate this to my mom's work ethic. It was about work. No welfare in our house. You worked or you went without. Rocks underneath. Heads up. Heavy, 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 heavy. Okay, time for a break. Whew. Thanks for the work ethic, Mom. Whew.